Hey there, physics class. We're going to go through another problem today. This is from section 2. It's question number 2.51. It says, a rocket starts from rest and moves upward from the surface of the Earth. For the first 10 seconds of its motion, the vertical acceleration of the rocket is given by A, the direction of y, equals 2.80 meters a second cubed times t, where the positive y direction is upward. So for our first part, part A, it asks, what is the height of the rocket above the surface of the Earth at t equals 10 seconds? For part B, we have what is the speed of the rocket when it is 325 meters above the surface of the Earth. So we're going to calculate that. First off, I've got my cool rocket dude, the moon or bust. He's going to help us out today. So we're going to use this, and we're going to go through. So first off, we have kind of this equation. The acceleration equals 2.80 meters a second cubed times the time. So to find the velocity, we just take the integral of that, which is the opposite of taking a derivative, basically. We're going to find the velocity, which equals the integral of 2.80 times t squared over 2, which equals 1.40 times t squared. Then if we want to find the distance, we take the integral of that, which is going to mean that the distance is equal to the integral of 1.40 times t squared, which equals 1.40 times t cubed over 3, which if we do that out, 1.40 times 10 to the third divided by 3, it comes out to be 467 meters, approximately that. So now we found part A, which was the height of the rocket after about 10 seconds. Next, we need to find part B. Part B is referring to the velocity when it is 325 meters from the Earth. So 325 meters is, that's a distance. So we're going to use our distance formula here, which is 1.40 times t cubed over 3. We're trying to isolate t so we can find the time it took. Once we find the time, we can just plug that into our velocity equation and come out with the velocity. So by simplifying that, we just drag all the numbers over. We're going to multiply 325 by 3, divide it by 1.40, and that means that 696.43 equals t cubed. We take the cubed root of 696.43, and that will equal t, which equals 8.86 seconds. Plugging that into our velocity equation, we have 1.40 times t squared, which is 1.40 times 8.86 squared. That means that's approximately 110 meters a second at 325 meters from the Earth. So there you got it. I hope that makes sense. And thanks for watching.